Okay, we proceed with the third video, and this time we proceed with the T accounts. Okay, right, for T accounts we're going to prepare several T accounts. Okay, and as guided in the exercise, we're going to prepare the account for cash, account receivable, supplies, insurance, equipment, part, notes payable, accounts payable, petty, capital, petty drawing, fees earned, wages expense, rent utilities, and expenses, utilities expenses, parts expense, and the miscellaneous. Okay. Before I proceed, there are several transactions on 29th and 30th on the utilities. I want you to complete your own. So this basically guides you on how to prepare the journal entries and the T accounts. Okay. Now I'm going to start with the T accounts. Choose Okay, I've decided to insert the Excel spreadsheet here. Right. So basically we have Excel spreadsheet here. Okay, it's easier for us to implement the or to prepare the accounts. Okay, so basically we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, we need at least three columns. Right. So we need. Okay. So let's name this as cash account or bank account. Sorry, bank account. Okay. So what happened on 1st of November is the owner November 1st. Okay, we're gonna deposit to the business sum 27750. Okay, so we put it as owner's equity. And the amount is 27750. 27750. Okay. Right, done with the first account. Proceed with the second account is where owner's equity. Yeah? So what we need to do is to shortcut. Understand a little bit. Name it to owner's equity. Owner's equity. Okay. November 1st. Okay. It involves cash accounts or bank accounts. Sorry. Bank account. And the amount is 27750. Okay, so tally, yeah. Debit bank account, credit owner's equity. Very good. Right, we proceed with the second transaction, rent and cash. So November 1st. Rent account. The amount is 4,000. We have to create the rent account. November 1st. Bank 4,000. Okay, done with the first one. We'll tick this one to show that we have done. Okay, 6 office equipment, so we have to prepare another account. Office equipment. Office equipment. How much? Office equipment 5880. 0. The date was 6. Right. Proceed with another one, purchase of truck. So we need to prepare truck accounts. This is 8 November. Okay, truck accounts. We have paid the bank account. We haven't recorded this one yet. Bank account 4,000. We have to. Bank account traffic November 6. Office equipment. Traffic. Traffic 0. Okay. Done with this one. Then we have the chase truck. 12,000. Truck account. Truck account 32,000. Whereby the cash is 6,500 and the balance is 26,000. Okay, notes payable. Okay, so the bank account should 8, huh? And 8. Account reduced, cash reduced by 6,500. Then we have to prepare another account, which is the accounts payable. But the notes payable, sorry, notes payable. OTPS. Accounts. Right. Okay, truck accounts. 6,000. Okay. Oh, okay. Should be not this side, but another side. Alright. So I will proceed with another video. Right. Thank you very much.